Hello, and this video is all about hip strength. So it's all going to be body weight exercises, but they should still be a little bit challenging. The only prop we're going to use is a cushion. So you're going to need a chair and a cushion. Let's go. So just sitting down, you're going to put the cushion between your legs. If you have a Pilates ball, you could use that. But if you don't, you're going to use a cushion, make it quite thick so you've got something to squeeze. Pop it between your legs. You're going to breathe in, and as you breathe out, you're going to bring your legs together and squeeze the inner thighs, holding for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then release. Do it again. Breathe in. As you breathe out, squeezing for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the legs out. And again, we're doing 10 in total. Breathe in. As you breathe out, nice big squeeze. Really feel those muscles firing on the inner thighs. They're really important for supporting the hip. And relax. Breathe in. As you breathe out, squeeze again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let go. Number 5. Breathe in. Breathe out. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Let go. And again, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. And release. You should already start to feel those muscles are firing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, let go. We're going to come back to those in a moment. But first, we're going to go to another exercise, which is on the floor. Just moving that chair out of the way. So we're going to come down onto all fours. And you're going to take your leg out, keeping the back in a neutral position. So not letting it dip or round too much, somewhere in between those two. So you've got this neutral place going on in the spine here. Your leg's going to come out about a 45-degree angle. And then you're going to take the heel towards the ceiling without leaning too much one way or the other. You should feel this in the bottom. So bottom muscles support the hips. Really important, supporting the back and the hips. Good. And we've got 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. Ooh, and relax. Other side. Leg goes out, slightly to the side, leading with the heel. So we don't want to feel it in the back, just in the bottom. So if you're feeling it in the back, you come down, adjust your back positioning a little bit, maybe tuck under slightly, and then do it again. So that's 5, 3, 2, 1, and release. We're going to go back and do another set on the first leg. Stretch the leg out, 45-degree angle, lead, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, other side, out to the side, lift, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last set, out to the side, lift with the heel. Should feel it very much in this buttock. 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you're struggling at all, just let me know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Maybe sit back on your heels, have a little stretch. And then we're going to come up, we're going to go straight back into your inner thigh squeezes. So if you've got a Pilates ball, use that. If you haven't, get your cushion, scrunch it right up so it's nice and thick. Breathe in. As you breathe out, squeeze, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze, and then just keep breathing normally as you hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. Breathe in, breathe out as you squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 6 more. Breathe in, breathe out as you squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, breathe out as you squeeze. All the way down here, not just to the side of the knee. You want to feel it more here, the length of the insides of the thigh. Breathe in, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we've got 4 more. Breathe in, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 more. Breathe in, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. Breathe in, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Breathe in, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. That is quite hard work for the inner thighs, I think you'll agree. Okay, so chair away. You can use a weight for this one if you have a weight to hand. We're going to work the front of the hips. Often feel very tight in a lot of people, but it doesn't necessarily mean they're strong. They could also be quite weak. So if you want to have a weight that's standing up like so, I've just got a book. So you'd have the weight, or you could have your book like that, or you can have it down like that, depending how strong, or if you get a bit crampy, you'll see what I mean in a minute, you might want to have it lower. So whatever it is you get, either a tin of beans, a book, whatever, you're going to sit up nice and tall from the lower back, support yourself with your hands, and then lift up and over. So that might be a little bit too high, and you might want to have it down a little bit lower. If you've got a can of beans or something, then obviously that's a little bit lower. Keep going. That's number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. And you should feel that very strongly here in the hip and in the front of the thigh. Other side. Lift up and over. Good. And you can go a little bit wider with the leg, taking it further away. So whatever you're lifting up and over, taking it further away. Good. And 3 more. So we're doing 10. 2 more. And last one. Woo, give those legs a bit of a rub because that's quite hard work. And we're going to come onto our back and we're going to come into some bridges. So bridges again are working the glutes, which support your hip. Feet hip width apart, flat foot. So you're pressing the toes down, the heel down. You're not lifting the toes, knees in line with the middle of the toe. Just tip the pelvis back, just slightly, forward and back a few times. That's it. And then we're just going to tip slightly back, push into the feet, push them through the floor, lift up with the bottom, come into a bridge. You can pop your hands onto your hips and then take the bottom back down, up and down. So for some of you, this might be quite easy, in which case you're going to take it onto one leg and lift up and down. So you've got to feel it in the bottom muscle as you come up. If that's too much, stick to this one. Otherwise, you're going to do this one. Okay, so all the time you're feeling it in your bottom as you lift up. And do 2 more, 1 more, and come down and relax. Just take the knees from side to side. So if you're doing a single leg bridge, obviously at this point you'll be doing the other leg, 10 on each side. If you're doing a double leg, you can have a little rest here. Okay, so we're going to go into the next set, tip the pelvis back, press the feet firmly down and lift up using the bottom. You want to feel the buttocks tightening as you lift up, really pressing the feet through the floor, thinking of your legs as being super strong. And 3 more, and 2 more, and 1 more. And if you're doing the single leg bridge, you can then crack on with the other side. Maybe you might want to have a little stretch out. 1 knee into the chest at a time, other knee into the chest. That's it. 1 and then the other. And then we're doing 1 more set. Tip back, lift. So pick your bridge version. Good. This is also a really good stretch for the front of the body. And try and slide the bum cheeks towards your heels to take any strain out of the lower back as you lift. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. and you're done. Okie doke. So we're going to come up onto our side and we're going to come into some side planks, which are working the side of the hips. So you pick your plank, you pick the time that you want to hold it, because everybody is very different. Elbow under shoulder, draw the shoulder blade onto the back, keep the chest proud, but you want to relax the rib cage, so you're not bracing around the middle of the body to stabilize yourself. So you want to breathe in to the ribs, and as you breathe out, let that lower rib sink down. Breathe into the rib cage, feel it widen. As you breathe out, let it relax down, but keep the chest proud, ribs relaxed, one foot on top of the other. You're going to push the glutes forward, the bum forward, and squeeze the hips. Keep breathing, and you might just hold that for a couple of seconds, or you might hold it for longer. If you're doing this version, exactly the same. Relax the rib cage down, breathe, squeezing the hips together. You can hold it for 5, 4, 3, or 2, or 1, or you can hold it for 10. Entirely up to you. And then come back down. You don't want any discomfort in the back or in the shoulder. And just hold it for less if that's the case. And then we're going to do it again. So press forward, relax the rib cage, draw the shoulder blade onto the back, squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. Good. And I'm going to do one more. Breathe in. As you breathe out, soften that lower rib cage down, fire up the tummy muscles, squeeze the hips together. Breathe, 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 and come back down. Nice. Okay, we're going to come onto the other side and do 3 on the other side. Elbow under the shoulder, knees in alignment, rib cage relaxed. Squeeze and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you should feel it on these hip muscles here. And again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep squeezing. Good. One more. Pick your version. Lift. Squeeze the hips together. Draw in the tummy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax and come out of that. Lovely stuff. Okay, and then we're going to do one more exercise, which is standing. We're going to grab the chair again, which is a hip hinge, bum out, bum in. So stick it out to the side, squeeze the hip. Out to the side, squeeze the hip. You should feel these outer hip muscles are firing. Squeeze, squeeze. Good. Good. And another one. And another one. 2 more. And last one. Other side. Let the hip drop out and then bring it back in. Let it drop out, bring it back in. Slightly soft knee. Just going to feel it in these side hip muscles. Good. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. And last one. And relax. Okay, so you can add in more sets of those, but for today, that's all we're going to do, building up to 3 sets of each. Hope you found that okay. Do let me know, and I'll see you on the next video.